Okay. Alright. Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unbox something today. I have it with me right here. It's gonna be a very short video. I just want to share what I got because I am so excited about it. So I actually ordered a hoodie and a shirt and the shoes. The hoodie and the shirt is from the same brand, and then I almost said the brand. The shoes is from a different brand. The hoodie and the shirt I ordered freaking 2 weeks ago is still not here. Well, the brand is known to have a really bad shipping problem, so yeah, but I just had to get it. So I'm praying that it'll get here ASAP. But my shoes is here, something that I ordered like way later. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I'm very excited. And one more thing, I'm gonna try to post more videos just to be with you guys for this quarantine time. Anyways, very excited. This is like one of my favorite brand for shoes. Okay, let's just put it there. I love shoes. I really love shoes. I think shoes just finishes a whole outfit. It's like the finished touch, and it's the last thing you put on, you know? So I just looked at it a little bit and it is so cute. Oh my gosh. So well, anyways, I unboxed the outer box outside. But first, I'm a type of person who doesn't really like ordering things online just because I hate waiting. I'm a type of person, if I pay for it, I need to get it right now. I need to put it on me right now. But because it is quarantine time, I can't go out, I can't go shopping. So I ordered a few things online. I decided to order it because it was just so cute and it was on sale. And some people might say, why did you order shoes? You can't even go out. Just for my happiness. Just let me be happy, okay? So drum roll. But I got it from Converse. It was actually $75, but I got it for $45 because it was 30% off. I'm literally opening this box right now because I wanted to film it. It was very difficult for me because it arrived on Friday, but I had to wait. I hope it fits because Converse tends to it tends to kind of like, the size tends to run a little big. Yeah, I hope it fits really well. But I'm still gonna wear it even though it's big. Oh my god, it is so cute. So this is what I got. Isn't it so cute? I know it's really basic. I'm a basic person, so isn't it so cute, guys? Like, the reason why I got this is I have exact same thing as this. I have the Chuck Taylor, but I think this platform is a little thicker and it's just plain black. But guys, look at how cute this is. Isn't that so adorable? Like, did you like this? This is so cute. I can't even like, it's just so cute. Like, look at this. Like, look at how cute that is. Ignore my grown nail, but look at how cute this little embroidery. And I feel like if this was just a regular Chuck Taylor, I wouldn't buy it. But this embroidery with this thick Chuck Taylor, extra thick. That's a lot of thick. But it's so cute, right? Like, it's cuter in real life. And I'm gonna try it on. So I'll try it on right now. Very excited. I'm trying to get this camera off. I'm going to place you guys on my dog bowl But it's okay, as long as it works. I'm size 8. But they did say order like one size. Oh, it fits fine. Look at how cute this shoes is. So cute. Oh my god. I love it. Like, this makes me want to go out. So cute. So cute. And it also has this stitching on the side. So cute. So cute. So cute. Well, that was very successful. I love it. It's so cute. I could literally make out with this. I'm very happy with the result because I'm a type of person, if I see it, I like it, I gotta order it. I don't really like think about it too much because like sometimes I'm just like, should I buy this or should I not? And then I end up not buying it and they disappear and I cry. I'm just like, I should have bought it. So this one, I saw it, I was like, I need to get it. I'm so glad I bought it. I love it. Sorry. I'm just very happy. I love shoes. Like you guys could see. I love shoes so much that I'm filming this when I have a bunch of homework. It's okay. Homework could wait. I'm just kidding. Do your homework, guys. Well, for me, I'm already too late, but you guys should do your homework. But look. Like, how can I do my homework when this is here? I think I'm gonna wear this and do my homework. Yeah, that was the end of the video. Thank you. I'll try my best to post more videos to keep you guys company while you guys are stuck at home. You know? And if you guys like the shoes, go get it. Let's see if there's any left. Or just look up Floral Platform Chuck Taylor All-Star. This one is 75 bucks, but I got it for 45. The half size, they're all out in 8. I'm size 8. They have it in women's 9, women's 9.5. Go get it if that's your size. I love it. I love it so much that I'm out of my breath. Love, 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 love. Love the shoes. That's the end of my video. Subscribe and join this tiny family. Let's make it small family and then let's make it a big family. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you later. Get the shoes, I'm telling you. Get that